Hi guys, haven't done one of these for a little while, about a month. This is the 200-in-1 Electronic Project Lab by Science Fair. Last one I did was number 13, so this is number 14, Tug of War it says. And when we finished, it's supposed to be two people who compare their resistance by squeezing a pair of wires each, so I'm going to have to do it myself rather than two people. It looks easier to put together than number 13. There's less wires, so we'll get straight on with it. 3 to 5, short one. To 142. Where are we? 142. Red one. Four to 84. 4 to 84. Six to 78. 14 to 16. 16 to 143. That's the meter on the front here. 28 to 137. 's the variable resistor. 35 to 79. 79 to 138, which is the midpoint there. And then 138. So one of these long wires. Oh, it actually says use a blue wire for that. If I read it. 138 blue wire. Okay. 55. Over here, battery to 31. Do that with a red one? Not quite. 31. 55. To 77. 31 to 77. '77 to 74. '74 to 15. And 15, a blue wire. So that's those two which will be held together. '57 to 58. 7 to 58. '60 to 140. Well, it's going to have to be a yellow wire. '60 to 140. '73 to 36. '73, 36 to 32. And then 32, long wire yellow. Long wire yellow. 75 to 76. 75 to 76. '81 to '82. '141 to 13. '141 to 13. 13 to 27. 27 to 80. 80 to 83. .83 is the other long wire. Okay. Power connected. Switch it on. Okay. So adjust that to the center position. Done that. I'll show you this in a minute. And then we hold. That makes that swing that way. That makes it swing the other way. And depending on how hard you squeeze it, depends on your resistance. So the meter is swinging side to side. So I'll move you down so you can see the meter. Right, you're looking at the meter. Just focus on it if I can. Right, you're looking at the meter. We've got the yellow wires, which I'll hold in my right pair of fingers, and you see the meters moving to the right. And then the blue wires I've just got in my left hand over here. So if I squeeze that, it goes that way. Squeeze the other one, it goes the other way. I suppose if you study it, you can see the color change on my nails where I'm putting pressure. Looks like I've got lower resistance in my left hand than I have in my right. Well, it just depends how I do it. Well, there you go. That's what they've called Tug of War. It's measuring the resistance, in my case, the resistance of my fingers, or at least the skin on my fingers. Right, well, that's it. Job done. Number 14, Tug of War. That way. You can compare which objects conduct electricity best. That'll do. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.